Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to restrict anyone from installing or running any softwares in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Windows Program Blocker. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you can see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you can see the fourth file is the application. Just double click on it. So when you run this program for the first time, it will ask you to set a password. So just to give you an example, I'll just set a simple password. You can put your email also if you forget the password, so that you can recover your forgotten password, and click on save. Now it will ask you to put the password which you have set in order to use this software. So let me put my password. After that, click on login. Click on OK. Now you will see this kind of user interface, right? So first option you are seeing on the left side is the block application. So we'll discuss later on one by one. And second option is reset. You can reset the password or any settings. And this is the task manager. You can access all the programs that are being running by clicking on this task manager. Hidden mode, you can completely hide this program once you start this application. And there is the settings. So let us check the settings firstly. So in the settings you will get one option written run it startup. You can just enable it if you want to make it run all the time. When you turn on your computer, just enable this option. Right now I'll just keep it as blank. And there is a hidden mode also. You can make it hidden, and there is some hotkeys also available. You can change the password here, or you can change recovery emails also under this settings. So I'll just keep it as it is. And now just click on this block applications. Just click on it. Now by default there are common applications already being provided for you here, but if the software which you want to block or restrict from installing or running is not available under this already available names, then what you can do is just click on this add new and locate to the folder where you have saved the respective application. So in my case I want to block this Microsoft Edge which is present in the desktop folder right now. Just to give you an example, and click on open. Now it is being added, right? Once the application is being added, you can see here below save. Just click on it. Now you can click on this arrow icon just to minimize it. And now let us try to open this Microsoft Edge which we have restrict or blocked from running this program. So let me double click on it. So you can see here application blocked. So I need a password in order to run this software. So this is for the already installed applications, right? So what about if the software is not already being installed, and whether we can block or restrict those softwares from installing? So once again, just open back the application. Now put your application password. Now just once again click on this block application. Now just once again click on this add new. Now locate to the folder where you have saved the software installer file. So here is a Firefox installer file. Just to give you an example, it may be any software. So this software is not being installed, so just select it and click on open, and now click on save. Now it is being added. Click on OK. You can just minimize it again. Now let us try to install this Firefox software. So you can see here application is blocked. So this software is not already being installed. Still I'm unable to run the software installer also, because this installer has been blocked by this software. So by using this free of cost application which is known as Windows Program Blocker, you can easily restrict anyone from installing or running any softwares in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool and very useful software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.